and welcome. Today's video, I thought it would be fun to just be able to sit down and be specific on what E.L.F. items I would definitely recommend for you guys. By the way, I'm cooking lunch for my kids, so there's gonna be noises. House is full. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess, mom life, whatever, and it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bells because I upload all the time. By the way, can we just give a huge shout out to Glitzy Girl Boutique? How cute is this? I am so into tie-dye, and once I came across Glitzy Girl Boutique, they have all the tie-dye, like all the tie-dye. So anyways, go over, support Glitzy Girl Boutique. They're a small woman-owned brand and they have heavenly amazing goodness. I love the quality. I will have this link down below for you guys as well. Not sponsored, but it's pretty. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump into some of my E.L.F. favorites, and a lot of the stuff I have on today. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm drinking my Daily Harvest mint cacao. Delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and start off with, of course, my foundations that I use with E.L.F. This has been in my favorites a lot. This is like a $6 foundation. $6, guys. So this is a Flawless Satin Foundation by E.L.F. It has a medium coverage to it. It's a really good affordable foundation, and like I said, it's medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up into a fuller coverage, or like I like to do is go in with their concealers, which are definitely more of a full coverage type of concealer. So I love to use the E.L.F. foundation, and then like I tell you guys all the time, I'm extra, I like both of their concealers. Underneath my eyes, I absolutely love the E.L.F. hydrating concealer underneath my eyes, and then like in the center of my face. It's beautiful. I go with a lighter shade, and then I go in with a darker shade with the 16-hour camo concealer. And again, these are more of a full coverage concealer, but for me, as long as you don't use too much, they don't look heavy, they don't look cakey, they're very comfortable, and they work well on my mature skin. We got a package from UPS. Thank you. Ah! So excited. Hold on, I got to go get it because I think it's more Glitzy Girl Boutique stuff. Okay, so like I was saying, when it comes to their concealers, you just need a dab. It is very full coverage, but the nice thing is, underneath my eyes, I feel like it doesn't get crepey. I absolutely love the hydrating one. Now, you guys know, let me pull it out. I talk all the time about this little powder. This is called the sheer powder. You can put underneath your eyes. A lot of you guys told me you could find it on Amazon because it was currently, and I don't know, I didn't check today, but it's been sold out on E.L.F.'s website. So the reason I kind of feel like, maybe it's sold out because they brought out a new powder, and this is called the Halo Glow Setting Powder. I really like this powder. I will set my entire face with this. Like I told you guys in Sunday's video, I think that if you are looking for more of a thicker, I don't think thicker is the right, this is more of a sheer powder, very similar to this powder. So I feel like because they've come out with a lot of shades in this new Halo setting powder, I feel like if we go with like the translucent shade, it's going to be the same as this one, and I feel like that maybe that's why they haven't brought this one back. So this is really good. Unless you have really oily skin, I don't think you're gonna like this to set your powder with or set your face with, but I think that if you maybe get like their matte powder or something, you'll love it. But I think you would like this powder if you have oily skin as a finishing powder, like a veil powder. And again, it's E.L.F., so all of this stuff is super affordable. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. Make sure to use Rakuten, not sponsored, but you can always make a lot of money back using Rakuten. Okay, so my endless love of their primer infused powders. Yes, I purchased all of these. Yes, I use all of these, and yes, I love and recommend all of these. You'll see these go on sale. So I picked all of these up when they went on sale, and I love them. I have Always Cheery and Always Punchy on today. They're just so beautiful, guys. I mean, $6. If you pay full price, they're $6, and They're just really good powders. They last, they wear well. I think, oh, here it is. They're just really good. This is what I have on today. So this one is Always Punchy. I actually did a dedicated swatch video, and this one is Always Cheery, and I just love these. I love them. They're soft, but you can build them up, and they can be very bold. This one is really pretty. This one is called Always Lucky. It's a darker shade, and if you take just a little hint of this and then kind of put it over your nose and everything, it gives you kind of like that really pretty like sunburn look to the skin. It is just so beautiful. Don't let it, with it saying shimmer, don't let it freak you out, because it's more of like almost like a pretty satin look to the skin. It's not like glittery type of shimmer. So I highly recommend these blushers. I know a lot of you guys have picked them up as well, and you said that these are like your go-to blushers. You guys, I love high-end, I love luxury makeup, but you guys, these $6 blushes literally sit on my table because I use them darn near every single day. They're so worth it, so worth it. So anyways, another huge recommendation that I have is the little E.L.F. bite-size eyeshadows. Again, I picked up all of them. I do have a little bit of the pumpkin pie on my eyes today with some of my Violet Voss Flamingo palette. These are just beautiful, beautiful $3 palettes. You can't beat it. In my head, like, I guess it's like once July hits, I start thinking about Christmas. I get so excited for the holidays. I'm like ready to put my Christmas tree up like now. I don't care that it's September. I'm ready to put that mother trucker up right now. Christmas is my happy place, like, period. It is just, I could just sit and stare at the pretty lights on a tree all day long. Okay, I digress. Anywho, think about getting these in your stocking. Husbands, boyfriends, girlfriends, moms, wives, sisters, whatever. These, $3. My favorites that I always use, that I'm gonna recommend, because I know some people say they're hit or miss. For me, these are the ones that I've always gravitate to. Pumpkin Pie. This is beautiful if you have any shade eye. I think would really look pretty with these. But if you have blue eyes, y'all, you definitely want to check this Pumpkin Pie out, because as you know, on the color wheel, blue and orange complement each other. I'm not an artist, so I don't know the technical term, but they do. They look really pretty together. So I would definitely recommend, if you have blue eyes and you only want to pick up one of these palettes, go for this one. You want a sultry look? Oh my gosh. Then you need to get, is this one Cream and Sugar? I thought there's one called Truffle. Yeah, it is called Truffle. Okay, so this one, here's my other two that I love and I pull from a lot. I actually just had this on, well, I don't know when this video is going to go up, so I'm not even going to say. But I actually pair these two together. This one is called Cream and Sugar. Really pretty neutral type of palette. But then if you pair it with Truffle, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Don't be afraid to mix your shades together. These chocolates look similar, guys, but they're not. There's a little bit of a different undertone there as well. And really pretty palettes. $3, $6 for both, you know? And I love these. Another bite size that I use a lot and I really like, and I think if you are into greens, and if you have like beautiful yellow green eyes or even blue eyes, because I wear this on my blue, brown would be pretty too. Well, that's like all the colors. Anyways, jalapeno. Say hello to the jalapeno. So pretty, so gorgeous. And here's the thing, like, just using those shades, not even the gold, absolutely gorgeous. So I mean, oh, hold on, we got another one. I use this one a lot, Carnival Candy, I think it's called. Yep, Carnival Candy. This is another one that's really pretty. And the blue, what I do with the blue is I actually will just take a flat shader brush and I just smudge it along my lash line or underneath a little bit in like the V. Really pretty. And again, these are $3 palettes. Now, I can't tell you guys about this one. I have it, I haven't used it. It's the Aussie U, I think is how you say it. This is really pretty, but I get scared. I don't know why I bought it. I think it's pretty. But when I think of blues, I think of Mimi from the Drew Carey show. And I'm always like, They look really pretty. I mean, I don't know, maybe they're really good. Let me know if you guys have this one. But these are $3 palettes. I've actually used this one too, and I really like this one. This is called Berry Bad. This is really pretty. And again, $3. Good, good, good. See how pretty those shades are? I don't know. I've been really happy. I need to play in this one too. This one is Rosewater. This is the most random video ever, but I just like to get on here and have fun and chit chat about makeup with you guys. It's my happy place, you know? So I think this is really pretty too. Kind of reminds me of like the Tarte Tartelette, or what is another one? I don't know, but I love the cool tones in here. So those are some of the eyeshadows that I love. Now, I've had a lot of you guys asking me since I did that review on Sunday, my thoughts on these bite-sized cheek palettes. They're pretty. The only one I have is the watermelon one that E.L.F sent over to me. But I'll be honest with you guys, I absolutely love this formula more. Like, this is $3. It's great. It's cute. What have you. It's not bad. But if you want, like, my favorite blush from E.L.F, I would recommend these. I will link this for you guys down below. They have a lot of different shades, but I love the primer infused blushers. And then, of course, I got two more things I want to talk about, and that is the tinted lip oil. I have it on today. I have been reaching for this a lot. Like, a lot. This is super comfortable. This is a super comfortable tinted lip oil, but it feels expensive. Like, it really feels expensive. It's not sticky. It's super comfortable. Definitely recommend it. Mine is in shade Nude Kiss. And then last is the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I gotta tell y'all a story about this. So you guys know I picked up some of the Huda Beauty. They had like their foundations and concealers and powders half off a while back, and I've been testing it out, playing around with it. Well, I went a little too powder heavy the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, like my skin was like suction, you know what I mean? Like all the moisture had been sucked out of it. I used this. This is brand new by E.L.F. This is the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, and it made me look alive again. This is only $10. It did what I feel like I am used to seeing like the MAC setting spray do, you know, like when it just kind of makes your powder come together and look pretty. So definitely, if you guys are curious about this one, I would definitely go for it. So anyways, guys, that is all of my E.L.F makeup that I would definitely recommend. Okay guys, so that is everything that I have for you guys today that I would recommend with E.L.F. Make sure to stay tuned because I will be doing a look with the Natasha Denona Glam palette. She beauty. She is a beauty. Look at that. Oh my good heavens. Very pretty. Love us so much. Okay, I'm gonna hop off for now. Everything that I talked about will be linked and listed down below for you guys if you are interested in shopping my links. Thank you guys in advance because I will earn a little bit of a commission. It is no additional fee to you guys at all by using those links. By the way, like I said, I will have my Glitzy Girl Boutique tie-dye top linked down below for you guys as well. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.